my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ivy and I love to do videos on bag reviews, fashion, and honestly anything style related. So today I have a very exciting unboxing slash first impressions review from a brand called Noiranca. First off, thanks so much to Noiranca for kindly gifting me these bags and also for sponsoring this video. I very much appreciate it. It's just a small YouTuber here, so any support from brands and of course my followers is always appreciated. And if you are interested in learning more about this brand and the bags that they have to offer, please continue to watch this video. So what is Noiranca? This brand is fairly new for myself as well, but upon researching the brand a little bit more, I found out that they are a PETA approved vegan leather fashion handbag company, which is super cool. As you know, I am a lover of all things bag related here, and that has pretty much been the focus of my channel for quite a while now, and so I'm always very excited learning about new brands. So let's move forward to the unboxing. So as you can see here, I have two very big packages from Noiranca, and they again kindly let me pick out styles that I liked, and I really appreciate that. Again, there were two different styles that I was really interested in. Okay, so there you go. First, I just really want to take this time to admire the beautiful packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the design of this box and also the cute little details here that they have. Feels very much like a luxury unboxing. Moving on to this first bag, just has some more details about the brand here. This is what you get on the inside. It just has a little card with some more information about the brand. I just really love how crisp the freaking unboxing here is. I don't want to break that because it just looks too pretty, so we're just gonna slide it out. It does come with a beautiful little dust bag there, which is such a great detail again. So which one's this, I wonder? Oh, okay, so this is one of the bags that I chose, which is called the Frida. First impressions here, it's absolutely soft. I wish I could show you guys how it feels. It just feels so nice to the touch. But anyways, before we get on to the rest of the first impressions, I'm gonna unbox the other one real quick. Okay, so next up we have this slightly thicker box here, and if that was the Frida, then this should be the Patty, which is the bag that I was actually the most excited about. And yeah, so similar packaging here. You have the beautiful tissue paper as well as that little card that they have. Yeah, shout out to the team there at Noiranca. This is some very beautiful, luxurious unboxing. They really know how to complete the whole feel and experience and aesthetic. So here we go. This is the Patty in the color Maya Blue, which, you know, actually was not my first choice. I really wanted to go with their Patty Brown color, which is just a lot more in tune with the kind of clothes that I wear, but unfortunately that one is actually selling out a lot quicker, of course, neutrals, and so I chose this color instead, and honestly it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm really into that whole gradient look right now. This strap just feels so amazing. It is so smooth. Okay, so let's set that down and move on to the first impression. So here we have the Frida in the sort of more neutral and traditional black and ivory color, and this is the Patty again in the color Maya Blue. So talking about just the overall texture and quality of both bags, like I mentioned, they're both incredibly smooth. It's just so soft and buttery. If I had to compare it to a more traditional leather brand, I think they're very close to the quality that I've seen from All Saints. I own a couple All Saints bags, and one of the things that I really loved about that brand is that the quality of their leather was always very soft and smooth and just, you know, super buttery, and that feels very much like this. It just has this smooth calfskin leather texture that I just love. The only thing about more traditional leather is that if that scratches, it's a little bit of a game over for you. It's very hard to remove scratches from calfskin leather. The interesting thing about this type of vegan leather is that I don't really think it will scratch that easily, just because of the difference in type of material that they use. But we'll see. I will probably be doing a follow-up review of this just after using it a little bit more often. Some other things to note about the bag is that it does have this sort of light gold hardware that you can see in different details. It's similar to the patty as well. All of this is light gold hardware. Moving on to the interior, it is made from extra smooth micro suede lining, which is also made from 100% recycled materials and mostly obtained from plastic water bottles. So that's super cool. Yeah, so just some of the things to note here. It does have a cute little sort of card insert, and the inside is also sort of this beige color. It does have a zipper intail over here, so you can close that up. And overall, it's just a very, very cute baguette style bag, which I love. Right now, shoulder bags are super in, so the reason why I chose these two styles is because I only wear shoulder bags now, so it gives me a 90s sort of feel. So if you are in the market for a similar type of bag, I would definitely recommend maybe opting for a vegan leather option. And this is obviously a really cute, unique design if you like that specific style. Next up, we do have the patty in the Maya blue here, and it does come with this removable chain actually. So this part of the bag right here allows you to remove this strap, which is cute, so you can wear it more as a slouchy handbag. Similarly to the Frida, the inside is also made out of micro suede lining, made from the exact same material. One of the things I do like about this is that instead of a zipper, it has this magnetic contraption so that you can close it very easily. The inside is obviously very soft. This one comes with a lot more pockets, and it has a zipper pocket in the back, and it does come with this little card here, in addition to a couple more pockets on the inside here. So I think it looks really cute. The bag that you just carry like this. I just like the duality in terms of the ability for you to use this bag in different ways. And this particular strap is something that's very new to me. I don't think I own anything that has a strap like this, but the best way I can probably describe it is that it feels very matte, and you would expect it to feel heavy, but it isn't. It's actually very light. That's actually something about both of these bags that I noticed, is that they feel very, very light. So in terms of testing what it can fit, I'm a more of an essentials type of girl, so I don't carry around a ton of stuff, but I do have some wallets over here, my iPhone 12 Pro Max, hand sanitizers, things like that. Everything fits perfectly inside this bag. Obviously with the phone and everything else, it definitely feels a lot more heavy than it did a while ago, but it's certainly much more manageable. I do have a lot more bags that are a little bit heavy, but everything still fits inside. I think one thing to note is though the insert here is smaller, it does extend to the side, so you can use the space right here to really fill it up with stuff. So the Frida, same exact items, my phone, wallets. Just looking at it, I don't actually know if all of my stuff will fit here, but we'll do our best. So far it looks like this wallet is a little too tall for it to fit inside, so taking that out, everything else pretty much fits perfectly. There you go. So yeah, these are the two bags from Noiranca. I'm very, very excited to use these for the rest of the summer, especially this unique and colorful one. I think this would be great for a summer vacation sort of trip. If you're going somewhere tropical, I think this would be a great addition to your outfit, especially since it's that pop of color that you need. As for the Frida, I mean, this is just your throwback 90s style of bag that is super popular right now. And again, if you are looking for a vegan leather option, this is definitely a great brand to consider. I'll definitely link more information about the brand below just so you can do your own research. I'm still new to the vegan leather world too, and I'm still learning myself, and I hope this video was very informative and it gave you a new brand to consider. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.